that so many people would be watching the match, some in person, some online, and maybe like so many people would know the results and all. So of course it's going to be a big thing. It's not just like any other match. I was focused and I was very nervous at that time. I just used to remind myself ki, how so Indian culture has so many, it's just so rich. We just don't seem to, many people just don't seem to realize it. And this generation seems to be forgetting it, and we as Indians, we as the learned people, we need to actually remind our kids about the rich culture, rich heritage of our country, and one of those happens to be Bhagavad Gita, which is famous worldwide. Actually, so many foreigners also know about this, but it's unfortunate that the younger generation, many of them don't know about it.
That's right.
So I remember earlier in the days when my nani, dadi, all of them, they used to tell us stories about Mahabharata, Ramayana and all, and I was always very keen. Maybe you say it, okay, Indian mythology or whatever, but I believe ki kuch to definitely something happened, and only because of that we are actually we have so many books written on that, so many people tell the same stories. So of course something must have happened. So I rely a lot on Bhagavad Gita. Even today, if I need, I am in confusion about something, so okay, I'll just start reading that.
Right.
So I always carry a book with me, Bhagavad Gita, and one more book.
Wow.
So one more book as in just like stories or something, some other stuff that I want to learn.
Okay.
But even I have meditation teachers who continuously tell me different stories or different lessons from the Gita, and it is very important that we being again the learned people, we need to protect our culture and we need to promote this among the young generation as well.
Yes.
So as you mentioned, Karam Karo, Phal Ki Chinta Mat Karo, it's very popular. In India, almost every other person knows the saying कि अपने कर्म पर ध्यान दो, फल की चिंता मत करो. Sometimes we get so lost in the outcome that we do not focus on the growth, on the personal growth, our growth, and we are just like, okay, I want this as a result. I want this outcome from this specific thing. If I'm attending some event, I want this to be the outcome. So sometimes we get lost in what we want and we don't enjoy our lives. We just do it because we have to do it. So it's just you learn from everything, and